Howdy, 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 everybody. Let's check that we're live. Ooh, hey. Hello, hello.
Check that we're live.
Looks like we're good. All right. Let's turn on some music. So today, ooh, find music library.
Going to albums.
And let's turn on this. Actually, no. Let's do animals. And skip. There we go. Okay. So today, the plan is we are going to, so plan today, we are going to build musical chairs. I finally thought up of a way to do it. So let's see. So let's pop into data packs and musical chairs. We're going to do this programming live on camera because why not? All right. And let's turn up the brightness on the screen just a smidge. Just a little bit of a smidgen. There we go. Okay, music's on. Recording is on. We're showing the desktop. Very nice. So while Minecraft boots up, we can begin the programming. So here's the idea. Musical chairs. We're gonna use the /ride command to make it all work. That's the plan. Now, first thing that needs to be done is making sure that the players in the area are actually playing. You don't want to end up roping in everybody into musical chairs. Actually, there's really nothing wrong with that. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna make it like the laser game, like the lasers, laser tag, where it's just gonna be slightly more structured, but otherwise it'll be kind of like laser tag. Actually, do we want that? Yeah, it could be interesting. Okay, so we're going to activate musical chairs. Nope, that's the alarm. Go away, advertisement. I don't care. Okay. All right. So how do we want to do this? It's going to be a global thing, kind of like laser tag. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Actually, do we want to make it a global thing? Now let's make it... Do we want to make it a global thing? Do we want to make it like laser tag? Because the thing is, if we're doing it like laser tag, then we could, in theory, put the chairs anywhere within the hubs. Literally anywhere. Including the game arenas. Now, is it worth trying to program that? You would either have to do that, or you would have to somehow tell how many players are actively playing. Okay, I think I thought of a compromise. If you are in the area, the board game hub area, and somebody activates musical chairs, then you're playing. But once the game ends, then once all the chairs are claimed, we then decide who won, who lost, and that's when we decide. What's up, CJ? So I'm trying to decide how to do musical chairs. So my current thinking, we can make the game something that everybody is forced to play, kind of like laser tag, where once the game is activated, everybody is playing. But the thing is, musical chairs isn't quite like laser tag. So I don't know. I could also make it like the thing is, if I make it like the floor is lava, where you have like lava monsters and stuff like that, the way I have that set up is, if you are in the board game hub area, you're playing. If you leave, you're no longer playing, which can cause problems for musical chairs, because that means you have to update how many chairs are available. Another option is we could just have it where... Okay, so I don't know. What should I do? Should I... Maybe... But the thing is, it doesn't fit in either a card game or a board game. I don't want to put it in its own area or its own arena. That'd be kind of silly. Why do that when I already have hub areas where I can scatter the chairs everywhere and cause as much chaos as possible? Maybe I could have it like the lava monsters. The floor is lava. We update how many chairs are available based on... I think I'm looking at a sign for registering. Yeah, maybe. I think we can update the number of chairs needed. I think that might be a good option. Okay, so we're gonna do AAA activate game .mc function. And then we do delete this file. I mean, we don't need a maximum. That's the point. Okay. Add AAA deactivate game. .mc function. Okay, so while we ponder that, let's actually build up the actual music player, because obviously the most important part of musical chairs is, well, the music. So let's see, how far down does this... Oh, yes, there is lava there. Okay, I believe... Okay, so it extends exactly down that far, and so, yep, that's where the lava is. We got the lava right there. Yep, okay. And looks like we have a hole in the floor, so let's fix that. Okay, good. So we have a hole in the floor, and then I guess we can do something like in here. Okay. Up above, that's lava. Okay. Now give me some night vision. Infinite 1, 2. Alright. Let's clear out a little area so that we can build some redstone. And this is where we're going to put our music player. So I think we're going to use music discs, because we can now put music discs into a jukebox. And also it's been a while since I've done much like redstone work, so this will also be a good practice, because I've been doing command blocks so frequently that I've almost forgotten how to do redstone. Okay. We need a dropper, we need a hopper, we need a jukebox, and I'm going to want a hopper minecart and an activator rail. That way we can extract the disk whenever we need to. And let's put our redstone on this. So the jukebox is going to go smack in the middle right there. Bam. Okay. So then, in fact, we can stick it up there. That way it can be heard from anywhere. Let's verify that real quick. Make sure it can be heard from anywhere. So if we put in wait. Okay. I can hear this just fine. Okay. You can even hear it up here. Good. Okay. So it'll be very clear when somebody's playing musical chairs. Good. You can actually, well, hear the music coming from musical chairs. Okay. Let's turn the music back on. Okay. So then we're going to need a activator rail right there. Okay, we want a hopper underneath that, an activator rail on top of that, and a hopper minecart. So it should be the case that if I power this rail, I'm most likely going to be using redstone blocks for the actual redstone here. So is it enough to just place a redstone block there to block the hopper minecart? Let's see. So let's stick. Okay, pause the music. Let's put in chirp. Excellent. And now if we remove this, oh, the jukebox actually powers things. Okay. I remember that, because I ran into that exact issue when I was designing the fancy music player thingamajig. Right. This is much more annoying than I remember that being incredibly annoying. I remember now, of course. Okay, so this setup should be able to extract the disk when we want it to. So I'm going to place a redstone block there and stick a music disk. Okay, nothing there, and sucked out. Yes. Okay, excellent. Okay. Cool. Okay, and then we need a pile of droppers. Oh, is going to cause a problem, isn't it? Facing equals up. There we go. And then let's stick a hopper here. Of course, I didn't think to put that hopper in before, which means now I'm going to need to do some debug stick. Facing down. There we go. Face west. Excellent. Okay, and then all we need to do now is and skip. Okay. So let's see. We then do a... Hey, what's up, CJ? Actually, why am I being stupid? I can just use command blocks for this. Here's what we can do. Now that I'm actually thinking properly. Okay. Ah, come on. Let me in. Resource packs. All the card games texture pack. Here is what we can do. Sounds.json. Yes. Okay. We can do this. Sounds. Okay, so instead of Saruman, this is going to be random disk. It's going to be records, cat, records, chirp. What are the different records? Okay, I don't want to show you my desktop. Okay. Ah. Okay. Let's see. Minecraft textures. Okay. So what are the different records? Textures. Nope. Sounds. There's gonna be sounds, records. Yeah, because that's where the rest of this is done. Okay, cool. So now within records, we're gonna allow cat, chirp, because these are the dancy ones. We'll do word. Nope. We're gonna do pig step, and we'll do stall. And now my computer's decided to completely rearrange how the files are done. Okay, there we go. That's better. Stall. We're also gonna do relic. And let's also do strad. Okay. That should be a good collection. And no. This is subtitles.musicalchairs. Okay. And then within subtitles.musicalchairs, we're now going to pop into here. Where do we have Saruman? Ah. Do we have subtitles in here? Nope. Okay then. Well, fine. So be it. Don't need them anyway. Okay. So that will play that will allow us to play a random record. And then in here, when we're actually, once it comes time to play musical chairs, so this is where the command block is going to be. Oh crap. How do you loop a disc? How to do that? I mean, we could just have it. Let's see, what's the shortest song on the list? Amongst that list of music discs that we chose, seems the shortest one is Pig Step at 2 minutes 28 seconds. Okay, so if we just have things loop every yeah, I think we can do that. We just have the music loop every 2 minutes and 38 seconds. 2 minutes 28 seconds. Okay. So first we're gonna do stop sound at A. Predicate equals board games in overworld. Stop everything. Okay, that's Minecraft Saruman. This is random disk. Did I call it random disk or random record? Oh crap. What is this called? Random disk. Okay. Cool. So that stops the sound, and then we're gonna play a new sound. That's gonna be play sound at blah. Play sound. Minecraft random disk master at A, predicate equals board games in overworld, tilde 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 1000. Yeah, that should be good enough. Okay. So we do have this set up correctly, right? Predicate equals board games in overworld. Yes. Okay. Cool. So yes, this is going to blare out to anybody who's in the hub, but that's fine. Okay. Cool. So now we just need to set up a timer where every 2 minutes and 28 seconds it will reset the clock. Okay, so I think we can just do a standard hopper timer right here, and then do that and that. Stick a redstone block in between. Comparators, go blam and bam, the classic etho hopper timer. Bam and blam. And then here we just stick another comparator right here. No. Yes. Stick another comparator there. No. We stick a redstone torch here, and we do that. And so when we want to stop the music, what we do is we place a redstone block. Okay, so 2 minutes 28 seconds is how many seconds? 2 times 60 plus 28 And then hoppers take 0.7 seconds to transfer items. So we need 211 items. Let's make that 210 just for the safe. Just be safe. So that's three stacks. Is that? That doesn't sound right. Probably divided by 2. I'm gonna say divided by 2. Okay. So that's 1 stack. Yeah, that sounds about right. Where do we have nether stars? There we go. 1 stack. And then times 64, mod 64. A stack and 41. Okay. So if we stick that in here, let's time and see exactly how long it takes to run this. Basically, did I do my math correctly? So to help this along, I'm gonna do one of those. Okay, as soon as that redstone torch flickers, oh, there we go. Okay, stopwatch is active. We're gonna see exactly how long it takes to run this. In fact, I might even want to set up an observer. Yep. Okay. Kicks back. We're at 42 seconds. Okay, that's not nearly enough time. Okay. Now it needs to be an observer. Okay, well, but see, with this system, how do you stop the music? Okay, as soon as that okay, 1 minute 25 seconds. That is very much not enough. In fact, we need exactly twice as many. In a way, that makes things easier. Okay. We need another stack and 41. That makes things easy. Okay, cool. In fact, just for safety, let's remove another 16. Who cares if Pigstep doesn't get finished? The point is we want that music to be looping continuously. Okay. Now, with that in mind. Okay, so now we need to figure out how to stop the music. So we need to place the redstone block right there. In this way. What if we stop it here? Okay, then it fills up in this direction. Okay, so what if we stick the redstone block right there? Okay, it drains into here, which is exactly what we want. Okay, because once it's in there, this is why I wanted to put the observer, because that means as soon as we're ready to start the game, we can remove this redstone block, and that'll get one item into here, which will immediately kick off the system. Alternatively, we can just power the system and not worry about it. I think I'd rather do that. Okay, so here is where we have to stop the sound. Okay, so this is the system. I'm going to label these with signs. So this is going to stop music immediately. This is going to loop music. And we're also going to stick a redstone block over here, just to be sure. Yeah, let's just do that. Okay, so if we stick a redstone block there, it does not screw anything up. Good. Okay. Music stopped. Okay. So when the music stops, we need to place down 2 redstone blocks, one here and one here. And when we want the music to start, we remove the redstone block here and remove it here. Let's place that. Okay, cool. Yeah, because this will react first, and then this will react. Okay, 45, 52, 8. Let's write down those coordinates. Let's actually program those coordinates. So activating the game, we're going to execute in Minecraft Overworld, run set block there, air, and we set block over here, also air. Yep. Okay. So that will activate the game. And then similarly, when we deactivating the game involves stopping the music. Okay. This should actually be the process that stops the music. Okay. This actually stops the music. And let's see, when the game is on, this is where we stick a repeating command block right here, which will run the function musical chairs stop music. Okay. Random value 1 to 100. What's up, Snowing? Okay, it's just random value. Cool. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, so this actually stops the music and then allows to claim a chair. Okay. Hey, nice. Nice, you got a new computer. That's awesome. Okay. So this is the system that will allow you to actually claim a chair. So let's see. So we place a redstone block there when we want to be able to claim a chair. So then execute in Minecraft Overworld, run set block here, redstone block, and then we do execute at e, predicate equals board games in Overworld, tag equals chair, run summon interaction at those coordinates, which will be, oops, width, let's call it 0.5, height 0.5. Okay. So then we're going to do execute as at e, predicate equals board games in overworld. Type equals interaction. On target, run function. Run function, musical chairs, claim chair. So when we claim a chair, in fact, that should be sufficient there as well. So let's see, this activates, this is what's involved to activate the game. I think that's all done. So now when we claim a chair, what we want to do is, so we want to be able to access the actual interaction. Let's see, what do I have in interaction? Ticket to Ride. Let's hop into Ticket to Ride. Copy some code from Ticket to Ride. Oop. Creative. Okay. So let's see. We have on target play card. Yep. And then this is targeting the specific specific interaction that you clicked. On target play card. Yep. And then we do data remove interaction. Okay. Cool. Okay. Back to the hub. And back we go. Back to the inverted Santa Claus hat. Ah. Okay, it appears night vision went away. Oop. What the? Weird. Well, okay then. Right, where were we? Code. So, executing as the interaction, this is what's going to make it all work. So, as the interaction, we run target s add claim chair. And then, right, so here's what we do. Right, so now we use the /ride command. That's what's going to actually allow us to claim the chair. So this is getting on Avocado Toast's back. Yep, that is this. Okay. So there's going to be execute at E, but it equals, oh, not Ticket to Ride, we want board games in overworld. So predicate equals board games in overworld. Tag equals claim chair. So you're gonna get on top of whatever the closest chair is to the thing that you clicked. So at there, run ride at S, mount at E, predicate equals board games in overworld, tag equals chair, limit equals 1, sort equals nearest. Okay, get on top of the nearest chair, and then we do kill at S. Nope. Kill at E, predicate equals board games in overworld, tag equals claim chair. Once a chair is claimed, you are no longer able to, nobody else is able to claim it. Okay. Cool. Can you do /ride to dismount? Dismount, yes you can. Does this work? Hold up. If I get on avocado toast back. Aha. Okay. So in that case, that's how we deactivate the game. Alright. Back to the functions. Deactivate game. And we just do this. Board games in dimension, or in overworld. Dismount. Okay. Cool. Cool. So we summon an interaction, and then when you click to claim the chair, you're tagged as claiming the chair. Okay. We should also tag you chair claimed. Okay. Tag it a remove chair claimed. Okay. So also when we deactivate the game, we should remove this here. Okay, that's here. Yep. Okay. Execute in Minecraft overworld, run, set block there, sandstone. Oh, come on, man. There we go. Okay. So that stops the thing. Oh, when we claim the chair, we also need to remove the date. Oh, we already kind of do that. Yeah, we already do that. Okay. So this is fine. If you right click the hop into the chair, you're in the chair. Okay. Chair claimed. So then, right, so now we need to detect if everybody has a chair, and if there's one person standing, then they lose. So that allows us to do this. I'm going to do function let's do execute as at a predicate equals board games in overworld, tag equals not chair claimed, run function musical chairs deactivate game. We basically work to deactivate the game, and as part of deactivating, this is where we then do this whole thing where okay, so execute. Okay, so we're gonna do a temporary scoreboard objectives add chairs claimed dummy. Execute store result score hashtag temp chairs claimed run if entity at a predicate equals board games in overworld. Tag equals not chair claimed. That's what we called this, right? Yes, chair claimed. So basically, this is going to detect how many people have yet to claim a chair, and then we do execute if. Nope. Execute unless score #temp chairs claimed matches up to 1, run 1 return run, scoreboard objectives remove chairs claimed. That also allows us to do some cleanup. Basically, it's not going to activate anything unless the amount of chairs that have not yet been claimed is 1 or fewer. At which point, since we're already executing as the players that have not yet claimed a chair, we can then say execute at s, run summon some fireworks, and say, hey, you lose. Alright. Okay, this should be in the end round. On my mind is free to celebrate that reverses and binary. I'm not in the quants of our definitions now. So hi, we're not coming down. Ladies and gentlemen, leave the world and bring your friends. Step inside and close the door. Start it out, plug it in, press start and reply. No use for your wars, it's love. 'Cause we build digital castles in the sky as we float on silent sets alive. 'Cause virtual is where we live. 'Cause virtual is where we live. 'Cause virtual is where we live. Scoreboard objectives remove active players. I am going to have a scoreboard to detect how many active players there are. Okay, so chair claimed. Stop music. Cool. Okay. And now we just need to build the systems to modify how many chairs are available and also activate the game. Okay, so this is going to be scoreboard, objectives, add, nope, no double spaces. And what do we call this? Active players. Dummy. Okay. Cool. Okay, so we need to be able to we need to be able to figure out how many players are actively playing. So let's see. We deactivate the game by placing the redstone. No, that's actually stopping the music. Never mind. Okay. So let's see. We need a new file here. So the file here is going to be place chairs. .mc function. Okay. And this is going to go right here. Because when we stop the music, everybody who's involved had better find a chair. So make that a repeating command block. Function, musical chairs, place chairs. Okay. Right, so here's where we need to detect how many players are actively in the game. Huh, somebody's... Hey, Snowy Yippee! Oh, you changed your name. Let's see. So here... Okay, so these are the conditions for... These appear to be the conditions to actually be in the arena. Predicate equals board games in overworld, and then we place this here. Okay. If entity. Okay. So we're going to do execute store result score #temp active players if okay. Cool. And then cool. In board games, well, in Minecraft Overworld. Okay, and then here's where we do the big figuring out how many chairs need to be placed. So scoreboard objectives add active chairs dummy, and at the end we remove the scoreboard. This is a temporary scoreboard. And then we do execute store result score #temp active chairs if entity at E equals board games in overworld tag equals chair. So this is now going to store how many chairs there are currently available. So we have one command that stores how many players there are, and one command that stores how many chairs there are. So now what we're going to do is scoreboard players remove #temp active players 1. So we want number of players -1. That's how many chairs we want. So now what we do, these are going to be recursive functions, the add chair and remove chair. So we're gonna do execute if score #temp. So if there are more chairs than players, then we run the function musical chairs remove chair, and it's gonna continue executing remove chair until it balances out. But otherwise, if there are not enough chairs for the number of players, then we add a chair. And otherwise it does nothing. Okay. Cool. Okay. So that's place chairs. And now the actual placing of the chairs. So let's do the removal of chairs first. So it's going to do kill at E, predicate equals board games in overworld tag equals chair, limit equals 1, sort equals random. Pick a random chair to remove. And then we do this again. Okay. Store the active chairs. Okay, so this is where we remove the active chairs. Good. And then if there's still too many, then keep remove another chair. Okay. Cool. So that's the recursive step, and that's what's going to allow us to continue removing chairs until it all balances out. Now for adding the chairs, this is where things get interesting. So here's what I figured out. We can have we don't need to do the fancy pig in a minecart thing. We just need to do item displays. So that is exactly what I'm going to do now. So chairs are carrot on a stick, I believe. Yes, it's a carrot on a stick. Okay. So here's where we get to the visual portion of our programming. Okay. We need an item display, which is a carrot on a stick. We're displaying third person right hand. Okay, tags. We're tagging this as a chair. Let's see what this does. Oh, that is not right. Okay. Right. Oh boy. Ground? Yeah, it looks okay on the ground. Okay. That's more like it. Maybe a little bigger. So we need to scale it up by a factor of 2. Okay, good sized chair, but now it's sunken into the floor. So remove, we need to translate it up, say by 1 unit. And now this is a chair. Epic. Okay. So that also means we need to modify what the interaction things look like when we actually claim a chair. Okay, so when we stop the music, these interactions need to be pretty big. 1.0, 2.0. Let's actually make it 3.0, because I know we translated things upwards. Okay. Let's actually verify that this does in fact work as intended. That's a tall chair. Okay, maybe not. What's up, Snowy? Okay. Let's make it. Yeah, let's make it height 2. Yep. Okay, that covers the chair. Good. Okay, so now we can /kill at e tag equals chair. Cool. Okay. Excellent. So this is placing the chair. Now when we add the chair, we're going to summon exactly that. Execute in Minecraft overworld run. So we're going to summon change my signs. Sure, just a sec. Okay, we need 40. Okay, we need 43, 56, 7. What do you need to change? Okay, let's do game mode creative, snowing. There you go. You should now be able to modify the signs. Okay. Replacing snowing tree with snowing yippee. Oh. Yeah, careful with that. Oh. Okay. Okay. Current champion. Snowing yippee. Unbeatable. There we go. Oh, you're moving Ducky? Okay. Would you like me to stop tagging? Would you like me to stop tagging you on YouTube as well? Stop tagging Ducky? Because I've been attributing I've been saying the thumbnails are made by Snowing and Ducky, so yeah. Okay, gotcha. Okay, any other changes? Cool. In that case, I'm popping you back into adventure mode. Alright. Cool. Oh. Oops. That needs to be gin, rummy, and rummy. Yep. That needs to be pink. There we go. 'Tis alright. Okay, pretty soon, musical chairs will be ready for business. Where's CJ? Is she playing? Not playing. Let's see. She's not playing projective set anymore. Not any of these. Huh. Where did CJ go? Oh, you're just hiding out. Okay. Very well. Okay. Hiding out, waiting for the boring part to end. Totally understandable. Okay, so here we add the chair. Okay. And then, so we summon an item display at those coordinates. Okay. Okay. And then we do same thing as before. Store how many active chairs there are. And if there's still not enough chairs, we add another chair. Although here, we also need to do spread players. Okay. So this... Okay. Okay. Okay, I need to do a spread players real quick. Okay. That means going back up to the data packs and looking at 52 card pickup. Because I can never remember how spread players, how that function or command works. Go away. Stupid advertisement. Go away. Thank you. Data 52 code pickup. Functions. Okay, this must be in the begin game. Okay. Okay. So we do spread players. Okay, 0, 7. Okay, so I assume 0, 7 is here. Yes. You found a glitch. Oh. No, you just activated the floor is lava. Congrats. You found a new game. You found a new game. Not a glitch. That was intentional. Intentionally built. What does it do to your Javamonk code? Oh, it might be same kind of thing as when you activate or deactivate laser tag, where it just clears everybody's inventory. That might be what's happening. Unless that's not what it is. Oh. Yeah, because it's constantly clearing your inventory, and then the Javamonk card is overwriting, saying, no, that card should be there. Or that item should be there. You're just going to have to deal with that. If you... I'm not fixing that. Okay, 65. Board games. Type equals item display. Tag equals chair. Okay. So now we spread players to create new chairs. Okay. Let's kill off the 52 card pickup. Okay. So now we have the system to add a chair. Okay. Uh-oh. CJ left. Oh, it's possible the server kicked her off. Okay. Okay, so over here, we need let's see what we can grab from here. So this is going to be musical chairs. Musical chairs. red. Blue. Okay. The I is going to be yellow. Make it black. Has to spice things up a little bit. And white. Okay, so let's try this. Oop. Okay, so we have white and black. Do we have yellow? Yeah. Wait, so this should work. I see. Okay, so what if we pasted that in? Okay. Fine, we're not putting up the sign right now. Uh-oh, Stone left too. Oh no, I'm all alone on the server. Hey, Snowing's back, yay! Rough internet connection? Okay. Nope, and left again. Musical chairs. Okay. And when we... What are you doing? Function, musical chairs, A, activate game. Okay. Okay. Add chair, remove chair, place chairs, claim chairs, stop music. Why don't we have an... What's wrong with the function to deactivate game? Okay. Deactivate game. What's wrong here? Store results score. Choose claimed. Okay. Anybody care to explain why this function isn't loading? Only one entity is allowed. Line 14. Ah, I see. Fine. Then we do execute as at A. Run. Ride at S, dismount. Okay. In fact, maybe ditch this entirely and just kill all the chairs. Okay. CPU isn't great. That stinks. Okay. Okay, so function, musical chairs. Yep, okay, that should be all of them. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, and then for place chairs, let's see. All right, so here we can also do execute unless entity at E. So in case everybody just decides to ditch, just decides to leave the game, run tag equals chair, run function musical chairs, stop music, and then a deactivate game. Okay. And that should be enough. Okay. Let's give this a try. Okay. We have 2 people here. So this should summon 1 chair. Execute if entity at E tag equals chair. There are no chairs. Okay. Fan-freaking-tastic. Is it at least activating this? Yes. Oh. Oh, I see. Okay. Easily fixed. Okay. This needs to be placed as a sandstone block. That's what that means. Okay. Right. Stop music. That needs to be a sandstone. Come on, crank away. It's just saving a text file, thank you. Ugh. Okay. So now there should, oops. So now there should be a chair. There is not. Okay, snowing is, wait, what? Okay, there's one. Okay, good. There is 1 chair. Cool. And oh, I see what's happening. So that's the system to claim a chair. This shouldn't have activated yet. Okay. So this needs to be... How about we just plop it right on top? No. We need to do this. There we go. So this system will eventually randomly choose to stop the music. At which point wait, this should be losing consciousness. Uh-oh. What? Well, that sucks. Okay, let's get to it. Let's kill the console. Don't worry, musical chairs will be coming back soon. We'll be coming to the hub soon. Okay, so for now we can artificially make it way more common for the music to stop. I may have to mess with the chances anyway. Okay, so when we stop the music, it should place the redstone block there, which it does. Oh, we need to place a redstone block here. And a redstone block there. That's the stop the silliness at once. And it's when we activate the game, that's when we place the sandstone in the air. Sandstone. Okay. Okay. So we have now stopped the silliness. And this chair should be somewhere. Where's the chair? Are you kidding me? Where's the musical chairs? Okay. So we should have that now. Okay. Excellent. How many interactions? Ah! Why do we have so many interactions? Oh, I see. Okay, so we need to place that over here. That's why. Function, musical chairs, stop music. E, type equals interaction, distance equals up to 10. 59 entities, holy smokes. Okay, so when we stop the music, we need to actually stop the music. Okay. Cool. Oh, by the way, new thing that I added to the trivia game. I'm going to show you that real quick. New thing added to trivia. I'm going to pause the music so I can show you. We now have waiting music. Here's what it sounds like. CJ, the answer is yes. So when you turn off the... It'll finish the cycle before it actually shuts off. There you go. I intentionally deep fried the audio specifically so that when I turned on the music, it wouldn't trigger the copyright claims. It was done specifically for that purpose. Yes, that is also the point. Weird. Anyway, so okay, let's do that. So this stops the music. Well, attempts to stop the music. Okay. Oh, I see what's happening. Okay, so this might need some assistance with the hoppers. Okay. Let's see if we can do something clever here. This is going to be musical chairs hoppers. Let's see if I can be clever about this. Detect. 2 hoppers. That's all we need. Okay. So I need to do positive Z, move over there. And then that, which way is that? Positive X. Okay. Cool. Cool. And that saves the hoppers. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. And now if we have that situated, we can place a command block there, place a redstone block here, place a sandstone, and now we can do one of those. And when we deactivate the game, execute in Minecraft overworld, run set block there. Ah! Place a redstone block there. Cool. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay. Cool. Snowing? You here? Where's snowing? I need a guinea pig. This is definitely for a non-suspicious reason. Nothing will happen. It's a trap. It is definitely not a trap. Go to the hub. Okay. Let's play musical chairs. Okay. So this just... Wait, what? Okay, so it looks like it immediately stopped the music, because that's what it was programmed to do. Okay. Now why didn't these go away? Okay. So we also need to kill equals board games in overworld type equals interaction. And when we go into here to stop the music, let's make it so, yeah. Let's do this just so we at least have a chance to play the game at least a little bit. Okay. Okay, we'll test it with music later. For now, okay, let's reload. Musical chairs is an evil pseudonym. What's it a pseudonym for? Are you gonna rearrange it to make it spell devil or something? Okay. We have a chair. Now. And this is where the music stops. Please right click the... Now we need to bring music. We need to stop the server to do this. Now I've stuck them into the ground. Okay. Alright. I'm going to shut down the server. And we're going to hop into the options. And extract this brand new texture pack that we now have. what you've done. You stuck them into the ground. Okay. This is going to be our chance to test and make sure that the game works with the music now. Let's see if my hackneyed random record player actually does anything. Okay, hold on. Don't turn the server on. Don't turn it back on yet. I need to update the texture pack. I'm so happy that Eternos made this nice and easy. Look, as much as I complain about Eternos, it's nice that you have all of these options here where you can just swap out the texture pack nice and easy. You can upload things nice and easy, download things nice and easy. Honestly, the worst part is the advertisements. Okay. And honestly, that's the only bad part about Theranos. Like, it's great in every other respect. It's just the advertisements are just intrusive and actively cause misery. Is there a single person on the planet Earth who actually enjoys advertisements? Like, who is this for? This Cetaphil ad. Who is that for? What is the purpose of that? Feel really bad for the people who got like a marketing degree or something like that, or like they got a marketing degree specifically so that they could work on advertisements. Like, they would have the most hated job in the world. Yeah, don't go to marketing, because I will personally hate you. Unless you're my friend. Then it'll be tenuous. But just, why? Who is this for? That phase where you like commercials from Purple, as in the bed company. Yeah. See, some advertisements are clever. They made ads for people older than 50 because they wanted a cooler audience. Yeah. Well, unfortunately, I'm in that cooler audience. Started getting advertisements for bras. Like, bruh, how do you know I've started wearing skirts? What's your deal? Why are you doing this? Okay, downloading resource pack. No, streaming services are starting to collapse. Yeah. Okay. So I'm now going to place sound, Minecraft random disk. Master array. Okay. Stop sound. That sleep-inducing 2.5-hour lecture is coming to good use. Was that a lecture by me or somebody else? Okay, cool. Hey, Snowing, CJ, somebody? Can somebody come in here and test out musical chairs? Ideally, both of you. That'll also be a good chance to see, like, how well does it work when you have, when you have somebody just joining in the middle of the game or leaving the game halfway through. Oh, you have a class in media industry and management. Okay. Yay, CJ's on her way. on her way to be tortured. Surprise! The entire card game and board game hub was purposefully designed to be a torture chamber for everybody. Yeah. Alright, coming into the board game hub. I've got a game for you. I've got a game for you. Oompa loompa oompity doo. I got a game just for you. Okay, did that play the sounds? No, it stopped immediately. Sit in the chair. Okay, cool. Let's check and see, did this reset? Yes, it did. Okay, now let's try that. It didn't actually play sound. I swear, snowing being in the ground, I swear that's not my fault. Okay, I'm going to set this to a random 1 in 1,000 chance rather than 100. That'll hopefully give us a better chance to actually see what's going on. Okay. Oh, I see what's going on. You sit inside the chair. Okay. Who wants to sit in the remaining chair? Okay, cool. Now let's test this. Why isn't this working? Nope. That's your cue. Music stopped. Get a chair. Yay! Okay. So why isn't this working? Oh, you need... Yeah, you kind of need your sound. That's kind of important. Mildly. No! Why did you release him? Okay, let's try this. See if this works. Saruman the stupid. Oh, hold up. Play sound. Minecraft Saruman.
Saruman the silly. Saruman the stupid. Saruman the stinky. Saruman the stinky. Saruman the silly. Saruman the silly. Saruman the stinky.
Okay. Now the question is, why is this not working? Why are we not able to play sound? Javamonk OST. Can y'all hear the music when it turns on? Okay. Hang on. Where's the other chair? There should be 2 chairs. There's 1 chair. Okay. Wait, what? What is going on? Oh, I think I see what's going on. Uh-huh. I think I see what's happening. Okay, as at A, predict equals, well, just as at A, unless entity at S meets these conditions, then run tag at S, remove active player. Okay, this might be what's causing the problems. Okay. Hang on, some cleanup required. Okay. Move that. Remove that. Place a redstone block. And remove that. Okay. And reload. Okay. So we have CJ here. What's snowing? You are over there. Okay. That should be counted as play area. So let's see. Okay, we have 2 chairs. Okay. Can y'all hear the music? Oh, for goodness sake. Well, why the heck not? Bruh. We have one chair. Chair claimed. Okay. I'm not considered an active player. Well, why the heck not? Okay, maybe I need to do something like this. Okay. Kill the chair. Do that. Do that. This is gonna get me annoying. But 'tis life. That's the life of a programmer. Okay. Let's try this again. Reload. Okay. Here we go. Alright, can y'all hear the music? Come on, Snowy. You haven't won a game yet. Claim a chair. Claim a chair! Okay. And everything has reset. Yay, it works. Let's try it again. Well, that was fast. Come on, claim a chair. Okay. Now let's run a test. When the music stops, you right-click a chair and claim it. This is musical chairs, bro. Okay. I feel like shoving Snowy through the floor. stop now. Oh. Yeah, that might do it. Yeah, listen for the music discs. Okay. I want to run a test. One of you go to the card game hub. Okay, I'm going to set the randomness here to go really high. No, 1,000 chance, but 1 in 10,000. Okay, one of you go to the card game hub. Okay. Cool. Now, Snowden and I will be playing music. CJ, come walking back in once music starts playing. There should be one more chair showing up when you do. Okay, here we go. Musical chairs. Okay. Yay, a chair got added. Okay. $355.7. Volume 1000. Okay, CJ, try. One of you try leaving. A chair should be removed. Okay. Yay. Come back. Oh, yeah, and okay, so yes, you can have a yay. Okay. Okay. Cool. And now we wait. And now we wait for the music to end. Okay, this is definitely too long. Oh. Okay. So this means we have this set to high now. Yep, good luck reaching that. Good luck reaching that chair. The chairs can spawn as high as the candy canes. Nice! It works! Okay, sweet. Right click. Okay. Let's try that again. This time testing how much time until the music stops. Okay. Let's see if I can adjust this on the fly. Nice. Okay. I'm also going to adjust this command block at the same time. Okay. Okay. All right, now this is musical chairs. I'm just going to stand over here. They're just beating each other up. And I can turn off the boundary box here. Oh, somebody left the play area. Okay. I will tell you right now, the time for the music is actually random. This seems pretty decent, though. It's not too long, and it's also not too short. This must be one of the longer ones. Yeah. God. Okay. Now what's really fun about this game is you can play. You can be both a Okay, I was about to say you can actually be playing both musical chairs and the floor is lava at the same time. Musical chairs. Now, of course, the question is, where are the chairs? Oh yeah, dying. Okay, awesome. So we now have the ability to play musical chairs. So once the stream is done, I'm gonna build the sign that signals the fact that, hey, here's musical chairs. In fact, I think I'll just do that now. Hey, yep. Musical chairs is officially open for business. This will be another one of those rainbow text ones. Which I'm setting up right now. Skill issue. Skill issue. How'd you get in the floor? It's over, reverse Anakin. I have the low ground. Okay. Grab the elytra. Yeah, no. Okay. Almost done setting up the sign for musical chairs. Chairs. I don't know if I'll be able to, but yeah. If I have time, yes. All right, here we go. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. See ya.